My vehicle for today. It's more dangerous with this one, I think, than with the real motorbike. He always trashed me. Follow me on my journey, living outside the box. Over here we booked one night more in Ubud because the ferry is not going every day at the moment, so it's prolonged one day. We decided to switch up a bit to check out another homestay in Ubud. We pay 16 euros, so roughly $18 together for this room. It's pretty cool, I would say. It's in the middle. Cultural hotspot here, where people are working. Here's a temple even. Cute little thing here. When it's closed, if we close it now. Okay. Yeah, but here are so many locals. And I believe nothing is gonna happen to our clothes, to our stuff. I believe in karma, they believe in karma, so nothing should happen. Here's a lot of stuff going on, and she just told me, the owner here, that they are preparing, what do we say, cremation? How do we say? Cremation. So someone died and they're gonna burn the body. Yeah, unfortunately we're gonna miss it, but that's where so much trouble is going on here. But yeah, look at this ambiance here. Much more local. It's not gonna. You're not able to stay, I guess.
Là cái mà ly cái nào ơi tôi ăn là ly vô còn được bé em đi nhà của mình
6
why you good him that là đủ quá kìa 7,000
7,000 euros.
Yes,
I only 7,000
7,000 won. Bisa
Bisa
pengurus ke bangkau nih kan?
Are you smart? Easy.
Oh, oleh.
Đủ quá kìa
Bên mà đi đây. Và
Dạ.
chú này ngủ rộng là má nó dáng bằng câu được. Lưu sẽ ra bây giờ này.
Aduh 9,000
9,000.
Naik jadi yo lu limo sih kan
One,
Yeah, one.
one, two.
besar kan
Pengurus kan kalau hanya dua tuh. Empat dua kan dulu.
nah di sport 3 nih tahu apa yo aduh
Kengken dia kemana?
smart
Kengken dia kemana?
that I only 14,000
13,000.
now better you
Này,
can
này, này, này.
Guru. Vibrant. So we decided to rent the scooter here for €1.50 an hour, just for fun. It's very bullshit. He told me also maybe I should not take it, but why not? Oh, we're not coming up this hill, I think, and it's raining now. Oh, nice. It's more dangerous with this one, I think, than with the real motorbike. But it's so funny. He always trashed me. Sorry, I know I'm not allowed to do this. on the way back, so that's no problem. You have to push on the way back, I think. Just honk always, then people know you are too stupid to drive.
In this corner is a optic.
Ah, here, Vita Optik. Found it. That's my car for today, my vehicle for today. Some parking. Or what? Ah.
Wait.
I think people hate me. Oh, no wonder I would hate me also. Because I am hindering the traffic. And full braking, eh? Okay, this hill is gonna be very hard. Oh, okay, it works. That works. How do you like the reverse POV view? POV. How do you like the reverse POV? What's better, half an hour walking or 15 minutes trim? You tell me, guys. Hombre. People are crazy here. Maybe I'm the crazy one. Whoa. Here to the left. This one. Hello. That was a funny ride, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me on this mini scooter adventure here in Ubud town. See you in the next one.